Good day, ma'am. We are here to present our different thoughts about the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies.
So the first question is how does the movie how, how to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies depict the concept of a good life?
In my own understanding, the depiction of the concept of the good life in a movie like this would involve a mix of ambition, personal relationships, ethical considerations, and reflections on the true meaning of success and happiness.
For me, the concept explores N, the main character that might gain a million before her grandma dies. It emphasizes that importance of money and people who love us. Money can buy many things and bring temporary happiness. But the movie shows that when someone we truly love pass away, we realize that money can't bring them back. In that moment, we understand that we really want isn't wealth, but to be with that person. It's true that we often recognize a wealth. It's true that the we often recognize a person's worth only after they are gone. Next question: which philosopher's perspective on the good life is reflected in the movie? Provide example from the film to support your answer.
For me, Aristotle's perspective, you might see characters striving to develop virtues such as courage, temperance, and wisdom in their pursuit of success or wealth. Overall, the movie might emphasize the importance of balance, self improvement, and moral integrity as essential elements in the quest for a fulfilling life. If there were specific examples from the movie, they would likely involve characters making decisions based on principles of virtue, seeking self actualization rather than mere material gain, and finding happiness through personal development.
So you choose Aristotle.
For me, the perspective of Socrates, in his declaration that the unexamined life is not worth living for, it underscores the significance of introspection and self-awareness.
In her streaming life, we will be improved by upgrading his computer, but he can find his happiness. But in the time that M is taking care of his grandma, it made him realize what is important in life and make him happy. Um, for the next question, number 3, last number. The last question, what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher's viewpoints aligns with your definition of a good life and why?
In my own opinion about good life is a fulfilling life involves during driving happiness from meaningful connections, personal development, contributing positivity to society, and maintaining a harmonious blend of work and leisure. A philosopher who closely mirrors my view of good life is Aristotle. Defined the concept of eudaimonia as a state of flourishing or ultimate happiness. He believed that individuals achieve a good life by cultivating virtues like courage, wisdom, and compassion.
For me, a good life for me is to achieve all of my goals. To achieve all my goals and make my family proud and to pay all their sacrifices just for my studies. I know it's not a responsibility, but for me to pay those it's a saying from other people, but for me it's an obligation to pay those. My parents will be old soon and I will not forgive myself if I don't do anything to them. My family is just important for me.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you for listening. That is all our different thoughts about the questions and the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies.
I am Jumiller Ainin Botokan from OA3B,
And I am Irish Kate S. Salto from OA1D.
and that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.